Hi friends, today I hope to explain you how to replace your ink cartridge of Canon PIXMA printer. I think this video will help you to get an idea how to replace them. First of all, it is compulsory to switch on printer and next open the printer door. Now you can see moving cartridge. Allow them to stop because they will automatically stop it. Now you can remove unwanted cartridge by pressing down on it just like this. This removal process should be done using low pressure because it may cause to internal connecting parts of the printer. Before replacing new cartridge, it is compulsory to identify color and black cartridge position aiding particular sticker of printer door. It will show on internal part of printer door. Now I hope to show you unboxing parts of black and color in cartridge. First, you must remove the box just like this. You can use a small trimmer for this. Now you can see sealed package with the opening label. It is not a problem. You can remove sealed polythene cover anyway using your finger and carefully unbox each cartridge. Now we look how to insert it. Before inserting a new cartridge, it is compulsory to remove bottom sticker and don't touch sensitive copper coated area. You can carefully insert it. Slight upward pressure using your finger. You can use this technique for next cartridge just like this. Especially remember to don't touch copper coated bottom and side area of the cartridge. After completion of your work, remember to close the printer door. Now your basic work is succeed, but it is compulsory to start a test printing process because print head alignment should be set by a test trial. If print head alignment has not been came out after installing or replacing an ink cartridge message found, you can press particular start printing button displaying on the message under the printing process. After you can see your ink level of new cartridge or printer under the printing. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel to get new technical videos. Thanks for watching my YouTube videos.